pressure. Rather it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it's dark or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Rather it wrong or it right.
And what's going on, guys? You already know who it is, and I'm back with another video, man. In this video, guys, we got a 2010 Dodge Charger pulling up, man, and he's getting a huge upgrade, man. But if y'all want to see what he getting put in this car, man, y'all go on right now. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell and help grow that fam, man. But I need everybody under the sound of my voice right now, man. Everybody under the sound of my voice. If y'all watching this video, go to the description below, click the link, man, and go subscribe to my second YouTube channel, guys. But whenever I'm around the guys and we, you know what I'm saying, chilling, talking about cars, I am turning the camera on so y'all can see how it is when we do be kicked back and all that good stuff, man. And y'all will be able to see, like in the last video when I changed the wheel stud, all that type of content will be on that channel. So please, guys, go check that second channel out, man. Like I promise y'all, they gonna be lit, man. I'm waiting on him to pull up. When he pull up, we gonna install his CD player, and I'm gonna see can I trick him and Ghost, man. We in here with another one, man. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. We almost at that 5K mark, and still got a long way to go, guys. I appreciate all the support, you know what I'm saying, and shit, that's pretty much it. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so as y'all can see, he done pulled up, man. I think this is like a 2010 or 07, something like that right there. But I ain't show y'all a lot of stuff because, like I say, I be running low on storage. But if y'all can see down there in that corner, that's the GPS. It's ran up through there. We got our antenna adapter. We got everything connected. The head unit is right there. He got a 10-inch screen that's going in here. We already tested it out and everything, guys, and it worked beautifully. Like, everything worked the way it should. So as y'all can see, we got that. I mean, it's gonna end up being a pretty clean install, so y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get y'all a shot of it after it's finished. Like I say, excuse me, guys, because I be running low on space, so I didn't do no time lapse of me doing all this, because y'all have seen that type of work a million times on YouTube. So yeah. And one more thing, he got a brand new kit. I already started putting that together, so that 10-inch gonna sit pretty damn good in there. Well, it should anyway. It should be a beautiful install, y'all. I'm excited, he excited. I can't wait to see your reaction. And hey, listen, we still gonna try to get him in goals, y'all. He don't know it yet. We gonna get it reaction. But let's get it. All right, guys, here go the screen. And as y'all can see, it's just a rough draft, but it should fit pretty nice in there, man. I'm about to get, like I said, get the piece of that kit together, and we got all our little stuff down there, all the little screws and shit we gonna need. I'm trying to connect to the goddamn network, man. We clean the shit. Clean up in there though. Alright, homie, I need you to do one thing for me. Fire up, man. Motherfucker look good in there too. That bitch come on instantly. Y'all see it, man. 10-inch. What year they call here, bro?
2006.
2006 Charger, man. With a goddamn 10-inch in it. That bitch sitting up in there looking good as hell.
That's that action.
Her bitch work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash. Too sexy for this set. Too sexy for these pills. I'm too sexy. I get cash wherever I fly. Got Jason on me. 100 cars and I get cash wherever I fly. Got Jason. Think about it, bro. Yeah. You like that shit, bro? That bitch look good, can't lie. This bitch don't need that much some 12s in it now. Oh God, this bitch is on 12, dude.
Another happy customer, y'all. I'm about to slow this part down, but like I say, another happy customer, man.
10-inch in the 06.
I'm seeking that trick and the sticky head and ghost right quick and get a reaction. I'm on jack, so we can't sit in it, y'all, cause I was in the process of putting the other lifters in. Like I say, man, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to that second channel down below, man. Hit that link, man. I ain't posting no content yet, but y'all gotta go over there, show that love. That channel gonna be big boy lit. But I'm seeking I get in the sticky head and the passenger door. I'm letting hear ghost and we gonna get him a reaction real quick.
I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right, a snake gon' be a snake, whether it's dog or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he dog or he bite. I got a nigga in the cell, I pray y'all.
What you think? What you think about it, bro?
Man, beat hard. Beat hard, right there. Beat hard, right there.
Yeah, that bitch, I told you, this bitch on another level. It's a little louder than that, man, but these folk be calling the police on my ass. Every time I come out here and play with it, they call the police on my dumb ass.
You know.
Yeah. Like I said, I did all this shit myself. Just sitting out here fucking with shit. Huh?
What is that right there?
Equalizer. That's where I can fine tune my dose speaker. And that's another one in the books, y'all. Another happy customer. Big boy 10-inch screen, man, and an 06 Charger, man. Like I say, I love what I do, y'all. What can I say, man? And of course, I do get paid for those installs. Ain't shit free in the world, y'all know that. But I just love what I do, man. Didn't take long at all. You know what I'm saying? And I hope this video, I hope they kind of like a lit video for y'all, man. But I'm gonna keep stressing this once again before I close out, man. If y'all haven't, hit the link below and go and subscribe to my second channel, man. We almost got 5,000 people in here, man. You know what I'm saying? In this fam, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love y'all showing me on this channel, but I'm really trying to get the other channel jumping. Like I say, it's gonna be more of a kickback, chill, wrenching type channel. I give y'all a sneak peek. That's what I'm doing on wrenching. They go to lifters and stuff right here. So that basically what that channel gonna be about, the nitty gritty, upgrading stuff, all that. Like I said earlier, I realized that these videos like this right here don't do as good on this channel. Not saying that these videos wouldn't do good, but it just don't do good on this channel because this is a base channel. So hit the link below, man. Y'all continue to rock with the kid, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the second channel. I promise you that first video gonna be big boy lit. We gonna go in, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all that energy as long as y'all show it back, man. This your boy Bass at it, checking out with a well overdue hot ass video. We are out.
Yeah. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right, a snake gon' be a snake, whether it's dog or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right.